Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today where I'm doing final tests on David's Breckwell brand analog version pellet stove controller. David sent me this one because he had a number of issues with it after he heard a spark event happening on the circuit board. After that the controller did not work at all, so he had a number of different issues with it. So after speaking with David, I agreed to have him send it to me and I would do work on it to repair it. I received it this week. I did some troubleshooting work, I replaced some components, I repaired some lands on the circuit board, tested it and it's fine, so now it's ready to do final tests before I package it up and return it to David. As you can see, I currently have the controller connected to my tester. My tester is made up of a faceplate which holds the controller, but it also holds an auger motor at the back here. The shaft for the auger motor comes out the front, and on the shaft I have a little decal with an X marks the spot on it, so you'll see that spin when the controller calls for the auger to drive. I also have 4 lights at the back, and those 4 lights simulate different functions of your stove. The first one is for the igniter, the combustion fan, the auger motor in yellow, and in red at the far end, the convection or room fan. Just know that for this controller, the igniter will not come on, since that is not a function that this controller controls. That will not come on at all, but the others will. So I'm in low now. Let's go ahead and turn the controller on, and when I do, 2 lights will come on. I expect to see the combustion fan come on and the convection or room fan. Let's do that. There we have it. We have the convection fan on low, kind of dim, and the combustion fan is on. The convection fan simulating light is kind of dim because I'm on low here. As I rotate through the B, C, D, E max position, you see the intensity of the light bulb change. As I say for every one of these controllers, positions D, E, and max, the intensity of the light bulb does not change. That is hardwired on the circuit board. That can't be changed. But D, C, B, and low will change. I can also press the switch here and go to high fan speed, and we'll see the intensity of the convection light go on to bright. That means the fan would be running at high speed. I can use that same switch, press the momentary switch position, and the auger comes on as long as I hold my finger on it. So when the auger comes on, we do not see the light back here, but we do see the light come on, which is the auger motor. You might hear the actual motor itself spin, and you see the auger X marks the spot decal spin. So all that is functional. So at this point, we're ready to go into automatic mode to do testing. To go into automatic mode, I need to press on the auger button here. When I do that, a couple of things will happen. For sure, we'll see the green light up here come on. That's because my tester itself has the exhaust switch bypassed. So let's go ahead and do that. I press that, the green light comes on, and when I release, a timer on the controller starts. That timer is approximately 20 seconds, and that determines when the first auger drive cycle happens. So let's wait a few more seconds and we'll see the auger drive come on. When you do, keep an eye on this spot here. You should see the LED come on, which is in the background. It's not very clear. Hopefully we'll see it in the video, but I can see it here. There it is. The auger drive came on. Very short period of time. Long off time, short on time. Let's do another cycle of that. So watch again right here above the word pellet. We'll see the green light come on for the duration of the auger drive. There it is, very short. So let me go to max here, and as I do go to max, we see the intensity of the light bulb that simulates the convection or room fan went brighter, so the fan will be running faster. And we now have a shorter time in between cycles, and the on time is much longer. Notice how long it was. So let's do another cycle of that. Short off time, long on time, compared to the first cycle. There we go. We have all the lights are on, the auger is driving, we hear it, we have a short off time, long on time. One more cycle and that'll be it. There it is, final cycle. So David, I've marathon tested this controller since doing all the repairs. Everything on it is functioning correctly. I'm quite pleased that I got it back to work for you. I do want to thank you for sending it to me. I appreciate that very much. And for all you other viewers out there, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own, whether it's a Breckwell analog or digital, or Quadrifire, USSC, or other brands, and you have questions or need a service, please feel free to contact me. My contact information can be found in the description just below this video. In the meantime, I do hope that you'll take a few seconds to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.